action.
Hi guys, my name is Chimayi and I got 1, 2, 3, 4 Play-Doh. And I am going to make something out of this Play-Doh. Get blue. I'm going to take one Play-Doh out. Hold on real quick. Everybody stay here. Sometimes this kid likes to get out and here. No, butter, don't eat them! Sorry about that, guys. It was by my cat. Okay, and I am going to make a dinosaur. This is a humongous worm. I'm going to put on the worm is some eyes. It's hard to open. Took out the white Play-Doh. It's too hard to open. I'm going to take some white Play-Doh here. I'm going to put it on the worm. Some eyes on there. I'm going to put some Play-Doh. I'm going to put some red things. Why is this blue thing on here? You made a bow. Cute. You need that. You need that. Get that for our bow. For our little worm. It would be so funny. So funny. Hold on real quick. It's too hard to open. Shoot. Something is going on here. Got the red eyes. But it's not going to be really creepy. It's just going to be really cute. Give the worm some little fin. This is just like, let's get that girl like the little arm and stuff. Making some drawer stuff. Sure, the girl. Keep the bow on her hair. Oh right, I forgot the hair. Shoot. Oh here. Yellow hair. Oh. on the hair. And put it on the glue. But hats, not the long hair or something. Or stuff. Drop the cute eye. I mean the red eye. Sorry about that. Give it some right things right here. Is some things to put on this fin. Now it's finished.
Cool. Move your other hand. I can't see.
This is the hand.
Okay.
This is the mermaid.
Cool. You want to say bye to everybody?
Oh, almost.
Oh.
Ah! Alright, I need some more Play-Doh. Add. Bye guys.
Bye.
If you like to subscribe, please subscribe and click my channel.